Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can change sound when you receive notification from Telegram. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should go to the Telegram app, click on profile, scroll down and notification and sound. On this page you have a 5 option. For example, for the channel sound, click on channels, click on sound, and you can choose between this sound here. Also for groups. You can choose a sound for private chats. You can change stories and reaction when you receive. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.